Well, after the summer of pruning and shaping the gardens all up to something beautiful, I looked down the sidewalk and saw that we have fall coming. Our favorite time of year when the leaves start to fall, the color change, the energetic change. It's just magical. So we're going to start transitioning into fall here at the old church. Putting out some decor that kind of matches the season. It's going to be especially fun this year, I think, because for the first time in, 8-10 years as a wedding chapel here at the old church, we're going to start doing more pagan-based weddings. Customized wedding ceremonies specific to the path that the persons are on that are bonding. With over 300 weddings out of this building, we figure it's time to start utilizing it for what our spirituality says. And our spirituality is, well, we're witches. And as witches, we've noticed that there's a lack of support in the wedding industry for pagans that want to get bonded in matrimony, but want to do it in a way or in a style that is more fitting of their faith, their path, their spirituality. Well, as the high priestess and priest have covened up and ministers here at the old church, a pagan gathering place, we ask that if you're going to be getting married anytime in the near future, come on by the old church and give our venue a looky-loo. Meet with Gussie and I and discuss what it is that you would like to see in a ceremony, custom built just for you. Stay magical.